Lesson 1. Hello. Part 1. Listening.
Hello, I am Tom.
Hi, I am Jerry.
How are you, Jerry?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too. Goodbye, Jerry.
Goodbye, Tom.
Part 2. Vocabulary. Repeat after me. 1. Hello. 2. Hi. 3. How are you? 4. Fine. 5. Thank you. 6. Goodbye. Part 3. Let's practice with me. I am blue. You are red.
Hello, I am Tom. How are you, Jerry? I am fine too. Goodbye, Jerry.
I am red. You are blue.
Hi, I am Jerry. I am fine, thank you. And you? Goodbye, Tom.